Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I got my Ice Cream Beauty for October. I'm excited for this box, y'all. This is a newer subscription to me. This is my second month getting it. I have had it in the past a while back, and then I just let it go for a little bit, but I got it back. It is an independently owned company. It's not one of these big conglomerates. It's not, these big companies. So this is done by, just regular people. So I like that. So anyway, it's the super cutest box. Look, it says ice cream on it. Ice Cream Beauty. And the box is always so cute. This is a smaller box than last month. I did cut the seal. So let's see what it looks like inside. When you open it, there's a card. And then there are some little peanuts, and I believe these peanuts, you put them in water and they will melt away, so to speak. So let me take them out, and I can see beautiful things in here already. All right, let's see what the card says. The card is October. It says Season of the Witch. So there are 5 things in here. Ooh, very nice. And I believe in the box is $25. There's always 5 items, and they're most always beauty items. There might be some skincare, but not very often. There's also a bag that's $12.50. So if you want to try something and see if you like it, that would be fantastic. You're always guaranteed a palette. I'm pretty sure you're guaranteed a palette in the bag as well. The bag is $12.50, and there is a little bit of shipping on it. The box is $25, and it's free shipping. So let's see what's in here. The first thing I'm seeing is a palette, but I am going to hold that till the end to show you. That is gorgeous. Now, I follow them on Instagram, but I have not been paying attention very much. I see a couple things because I'd rather be surprised. But, everybody gets the same things. Once in a while, they may offer you where you can choose a palette or something. So look at this palette. It says Hera. It's by Dido, which is, I do like Dido. The Dido palettes that I have are like planets, in there. So this will be interesting to see. This is beautiful. I'm going to save that to the end. Let's see what else is in here. All right. So I see this product here. Let's see what it is. I don't even know. It's the Beauty Crop. I can tell by the packaging that it's from the Beauty Crop. This is, let me see. It has a little seal on it. I like to know why I can never find what I need when I need it. Is that the way it is at everybody's house? I have a little thing to cut this. I have no idea what this is. All right, let's see. Oh, these are glow illuminating drops. Cocoa. It has the coconuts on it. So usually they do have a line of coconut products from the Beauty Crop. If you can see that right there. It's hard to see. There we go. With my skin in there. This is beautiful packaging. Oh, it's sealed in shrink wrap, y'all. And I don't really use this kind of thing very much. And this is such a pretty bottle. You can see down there. Look at how pretty that is. It is a thin liquid, and it has glitter in it. If you can see the glitter. I hate to open it and use it, and then I wouldn't be able to put it in a giveaway or something. It looks like you'll pump it, and it's probably going to have a dropper in there. Is what it looks like. And it says Cocoa Glow. Cocoa Glow Illuminating Drops. So I have several highlighters. I forget to use my highlighters. I should. But I have a couple opened, and they'll take me probably the rest of my life to use them. So I'd rather pass this on to you guys. But I don't think you can really see it. But it's glittery. It's glittery, and it's such a pretty bottle. So what they do on the card is they tell you the items, and that's all they do. They tell you the name, and they tell you the value. It says on the Beauty Crop, Cocoa Glow Illuminating Drops, valued at $19. Mix a small amount with your foundation. So, because it is, like I said, it was thin. So it would, you put it in with your foundation, and then it'll blend in there. That'll make you nice and glowy. That sounds really nice. All right. Next we have a Paris tool. It says Paris Tools, a foundation brush, y'all. This is how it's packaged. It's in this nice little plastic. I don't use liquid foundation. I use a powder foundation. Let's see what this looks like. This is called, the brand is Paris Tools, and this is valued at $30. Okay, so this is how it is. Isn't that interesting? It's got a nice cap to it. So this pops off of here. Oh, y'all. Oh, my goodness. That is, this is like a rabbit. It's so soft. It's probably, you know, cruelty-free and all that, so don't take it as what I say. It feels, it's so dense. Can you see how dense it is? That it's so soft. So I have always wanted a brush like this. So you can, you know, use it for different things. And for your foundation, a lot of people put their liquid foundation on with brushes. When I have used liquid foundation in my lifetime, I've always used my fingers, but this would have been nice to have something like that. It's just feels wonderful. It's like butter. It's so soft. And then it has this snaps onto the handle, so it'll stay on. Whoops. Well, maybe it doesn't. It's snapped in there somehow, but it's snapped on. So that is really cool. All right, and then we have Mirabella. This is called Blackouts. Let me show it to you, and then I'll try to figure out what it is. It is a blackmail eye crayon, it says, valued at $20. Mirabella is the brand. Yeah, blackmail is the color. Let's see if I can get it open. An eye crayon. All right, let's see. It's very pretty. Very, very pretty. Here it is. Mirabella. It's beautiful silver there. And this nice gunmetal kind of a cap to it, and there it is. And so this is going to be an eyeliner. It says the ultimate seductive smoky eye is seconds away. Shape and shade eyes with high intensity, long wearing coal. I love the color of coal. Glides on with a fine point for precise application. All right, I'm gonna use it. So this will be the kind of thing that'll last a while, and you can sharpen it. So let's see. Oh, it's very smooth. It is black. I thought it might be a little bit more of this dark, of a dark gray, and maybe it is, but it does have a nice fine line. I like it. Look, did you see how smooth that was? Very nice. So $20 for that. And then we have this beautiful little set, little lipsticks. Let's see what they are. This is from the Beauty Crop as well. It's valued at $24. It says Eau Chérie Lip Trio. O-U-I, is that we or is that O? We Chérie, Eau Chérie, set of 3 lipsticks. So they are enriched with jojoba oil and cherry extract. So it's a nourishing lipstick. I'm not sure if they're how to use, apply directly to the lip. All right. I don't see, it's all natural, cruelty-free, all that good stuff. All right, there are 3 different shades. There's Rogue, New, and Rose. So let's see if we can see what that is. Oh, how cute. Let me take this here. Look how cute that is, y'all. So that is super cute. So it's like a lip balm, and then it has a little heart on it. This must be the nude, I would say. Yeah. No, that says Rose. So that one's Rose. These are cute. The packaging is adorable. It's like you're at a picnic here. This one is Rogue. Very pretty. See how that is? It turns up. And it has that cute heart in the center. These are adorable. And then this one is the nude. Okay. Now that's a little on the pink side. Let me see how that compares to this other. This one says Rose. You know, I think these got marked wrong. What do you think? Doesn't that look nude and that looks rose? Unless it's my eyes. This says Rose. This says N-U-E, not nude. N-U-E. Anyway, they're super adorable. So cute, 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 cute. All right. And that does it. I feel like that packaging is just too cute. All right, let's get to the palette. That's what I'm waiting to get to the palette here. I'll take pictures of everything and put them on my Instagram, y'all. So the palette is Dido brand. It's Hera, H-E-R-A eyeshadow palette. So look at how beautiful that is. And the outer packaging is a plastic sleeve. Oh, it's sealed, of course. It has these little circle seals. So let me cut that. And let's see, the other side does as well. I don't want to ruin the palette, so I don't want to cut it. Okay. All right, so it had this plastic sleeve has a texture to it. Whoops. It's not easy to get off of here. Well, I usually take my palettes out of boxes and I don't save the boxes and on a lot of them. Okay, so it has this textured sleeve on it, okay? And then this is, oh, there's 16 shades in here. Look at that, y'all. It says, each Dido Hera palette is packed with a selection of 16 highly pigmented mattes and striking shimmers, all with a smooth and blendable texture. So let's see what this looks like. Look how pretty the edging is, too. And when I open it, it has, okay, it had a, like the magnet, it has a good magnet to it. It's a really pretty mirror. Oh, that doesn't, that won't cover the mirror. I'll have to use this. I'll show you, it says Dido, and look at how gorgeous all around. This is how the mirror is all the way around. Very beautifully decorated. And these are beautiful. They have just like letters by the colors. Let me try to show it to you. Oops, without, I don't want to damage the palette. Look at that. Gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Wow. Some striking stuff going on here. This marigold down here and that gorgeous glitter. And look at this one. It has specks in the red. And these reds are like maybe more of a burgundy. There's another burgundy. There's some blues. That is really, really pretty. I love this shimmer down here. This sort of olive shimmer. Oh, is that really pretty? Wow. Wow. Wow, y'all. Wow. So I paid $25 for this box. I actually paid less because I got a discount. I bought 6 months at a time. So you get a discount with that. And right now I looked online just before I came on to tell you the pricing because I forgot how much the bag was. The bag is $12.50, and then you pay about $4 shipping, I think it is. And this, they have a 20% off now, which is, I think, what I got. I got like a 20% off for the 6 months. So I got a great deal. So you can get that right now. And I'll put them below, but we don't have, people that get Eyescream Beauty don't have codes that you can use and, you know, buy under us. It doesn't matter. You just go to the website. But this is 30, 60, 80, 104, $123, I think. 30, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Yeah, $123 of products here. This stunning palette. This palette is gorgeous. And I know from experience that Dido is a gorgeous, and, you know, it's very pigmented, which I like pigmented palette colors. This reminds me of a friend or two. So I may send that out as friend mail sometime. It's stunning, gorgeous dark colors for the fall and the winter, and some lighter colors in there too. I think it's beautiful. And like I said, this mirror, just the edging, the decorating of the mirror and the palette itself is just beautiful. And then that sleeve has some markings on it. It's very, very pretty. So we've got the palette. We've got the three lippies here. We have the blackout crayon, the Mirabella blackout, which is this. And we have this really cool brush, which I'm just excited about it because it's just so soft. And that's just nice because it'll keep it from getting squashed in your makeup bag or whatever. This is just, I can't tell you how soft it is. It's just soft. It's so soft. It's like petting a rabbit. It is. It's so soft and it's so incredibly dense. That's what makes it so nice. And then these glow drops that you mix into your foundation to give you some nice sparkle. So that is my box, y'all. I forgot now what I said it was valued, $123? $123 for $25. And like I said, you can get a discount if you go online now. You can get one box. You can just get one box, and get it by the month. You can get it by 3 months, and you can get it by 6 months. I thought I had signed up for 1 year, but I didn't, because that's what they give you: 1 month, 3 months, 6 months. And they have a 20% code when you go online right now. If you want to use that, you can probably use it for the 6 months, because that's what I did when I got my deal. This is really, really incredible. The value here, the value is incredible. So, you know, it is a small company run by a Latina lady, and I don't have no idea how many employees she has, but I don't think it's very big at all. It's just a US made company, and it's not a big conglomerate like all these others that we get things from. So for her to make a $123 value box, or $124, whatever it was, it's comparable, so comparable to Boxy and to Ipsy and all the others that are out there. And she does this for us, and she cares about us. And I just wanted to help her out, because she mentioned that October was going to be Latina-based products, because I guess October, I'm sorry, I should know this, is Latin month. I'm not sure what the title is, and I apologize for that. But several people back in September said, oh, well, I don't want your box anymore. I mean, come on. I've told y'all before, maybe not most, all right, a lot of the makeup that we get, that we use every day, that we love, is from immigrants or from different countries. I mean, we were all immigrants at one time. I won't go into all that, okay? Anyway, I'm just saying, if someone made their way here and made a fabulous life for themselves, I'm so proud for them, and I want to support them. And that's why I joined when I did in September, to show her support, because I didn't like hearing that that she was losing business because she said she was going to have Latina products. Now, I don't know if she really did that, because the Beauty Crop, I don't know who owns the Beauty Crop, or Dido, or Paris Tools. And Mirabella Beauty, that I think is a Latina owned company. She may have, she may not have. Maybe it's for November. I don't really know. But I just wanted to support her, because it rubbed me the wrong way that people were being prejudicial. Okay, I don't like that. Anyway, that's the end of it, and I will show pictures on Instagram. Thanks for stopping by. Everything is so fantastic, and this box is a lot of fun, y'all. I highly recommend it. And like I said, if you can't get the box, you might want to try the bag. Someone told me it's $12.50 for the bag, and someone told me that it was $4 for the shipping. It may be different for different areas of the country, I'm not sure. But if you go in and look at it, you can probably figure it out. Or if it doesn't say until you're having to pay, then send an email. They'll answer you back and ask them, for my area, how much is the shipping, so you'll know. But I believe it'll be under $20 for you to try it and see if you like it. And I believe there's a palette in the bags as well. It'll be a different palette. They have different things. Sometimes I think there's some shared items, but I think that mostly it's different things. Anyway, thanks for stopping by, y'all. Count your blessings and have a good day. Bye.